Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. I'm super excited about this one. We kind of just played. I wanted to do this and we went with it, and I think you'll like it. But before I show you, let me tell you that this is our mystery club. You can subscribe to this club for only $11.99 a month if you're in the US and $13.49 a month if you're outside the US. And there's no shipping tacked on to that. That is the price you pay each month. Now, it's a mystery. We reveal it just like this every month. And you want to sign up now before the end of the year because in 2024, the price will go up. Right now it's $11.99, but the price will go up in 2024, January 1 of 2024. So go ahead and sign up now so you can take advantage of that lower price and lock it in, okay? All right, here we go. Are you ready? I'm super, super ready to show you this. I'm in love with it. This set is called Fungi because it's a fun guy. He's a fun guy and this is a fun guy. And I love it. You guys, here's what happened. Mushrooms have made a comeback. They have been everywhere. Every time I shop anywhere, I see them all over the place. And I remember my grandmother, who I've told you before, made ceramics. She made those mushroom canisters that were so popular. And I just had to do it. It just had to happen. So I think Sylvia nailed it. I'm going to show you what the sentiments say, and then we'll talk about what's on it. This one up here says, "You're a totally fun guy." So fun guy, get it? I think that's so cute. Get well shroom. Happy birthday, to go with that frog. I love you so very much. And thank you very much. How about this one? We have so much to catch up on. I'm telling you, this is so cute. And I thought to myself, you know what? There's only one way to do mushrooms and one way to do frogs, but that's not the case. Wait till you see the samples. You get 4 mushrooms. You get the big guy, this one, and then this tiny little guy. You get a couple of different kinds of grass, some leaves and some flowers, and also a little fly that flies away from the frog. Please go check out Sylvia's samples. There's always sample sheets on our product pages. And don't forget you get the free SVG with this too, so if you want to cut everything out with the SVG. Okay, samples. I'm so excited. All right, number 1. This one's not hard. This is very Maymay. Check this out. Very Maymay, right? Get well shroom. Look how cute those mushrooms are. So easy. I just stamped them, colored them with some alcohol markers. I did a little bit of inking in the background there where I placed them, and then stamped on the front. Love this card. Okay, this next card I went a little bit wacky on because you'll see when you see it. This is not very me, but I had to do it. Look at this card. Now, can you see all the foil? Look at the shimmer. So I was looking on Pinterest or Google or somewhere, and I was looking at mushroom cards to get ideas. And there were so many that were these teal and black colors and also just kind of foily and shiny. I had to do it. So this one was super fun. And I want to show you what I used to do it, okay? So all of this that you see on the embossing, that is luster wax. This beautiful stuff from Sizzix. Let me get it where you can see it, luster wax. This one is gold and this one is charcoal. And I use them. I use the gold on this embossing and I use the charcoal here. And I even add a little gold into the charcoal to kind of bring it all together. But what you see on my mushrooms is actually this product. This is the Sizzix foil 4 sheets. And what you do is you put glue down, give it just a second to get tacky, and then rub it down and pick the sheet up and you get that foil. And that's that center section, so foily. There we go. Look at that, how cool that is. Then I want to show you this because you're probably like, well, what'd you color them with? I colored them with metallic markers and it was so fun. Now I will tell you, in some places I kind of lost my stamp line, but I just went back over it with a black marker to bring it back. But I just think it's kind of fun. It's very different for me. Y'all know that, very different for me. But I think it looks pretty cool. So this one is, I love you so very much. And then Shannon, I challenged her with the frog. I said, the frog is all yours. And look what she did. Look how stinking cute her frog is. She colored him with alcohol markers, guys. She's really stepping up her coloring game. And then on the inside, you're a totally fun guy. Happy birthday. And look how cute with her little fly over here and the little mushroom. Also, this corner right here, she used the Dress My Craft. It's a corner punch, but I'm not sure it's called that. We'll be sure to link it for you guys because I think it's a photo corner punch. But she punched her base layer and then stuck this piece through it. Isn't that really cute? I love it. I think that's so fun. I love our samples this time. We had super fun doing them. That was another thing too. Anytime you have fun making a card, look how different they are. Love it. All right, you guys, that's Fungi. I think it is hilarious. I love it. And before you go, oh, I don't know what to do with the mushroom, just look out there for inspiration. There are right now mushroom shirts and hats and blankets and pictures, and it's everywhere. You can get all kinds of inspiration. All right, as always, if you would like to win a $50 gift card, all you have to do is use this stamp set to make a project, load it to our customer gallery, and we will draw a winner for $50. Now, if you already have done that for last month's stamp, the winner will be listed in the top line of the description below, so check there to see if you were last month's winner. You'll also get an email. But check it out. I think it's going to be so fun. I cannot wait to see your samples. Please, please, please load samples for this one. I'm loving it, and it takes me back to my grandma just because this was her thing, and I just love when she did mushroom canisters, and I love that we have this set. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here, and until next time, bye now.